The following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by Hello Garage.
And hello to you. All right, is your garage a dusty, ugly, embarrassing space? Wouldn't it be amazing to have a garage that was a durable, functional, clean extension of your home? Well, Hello Garage is making it easier than ever to love your garage. Let's welcome in design consultant Shane to share more. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Good. Thanks for having me.
Yes, I'm excited to hear more about this. So tell us some about this coating that you have here, and how is it different from like sealing or painting or anything like that?
So a professional coating is usually going to consist of a multi-layer system.
Okay.
It's usually a 3-layer system. You have a base coat which attaches to the concrete.
Okay.
Then you have the flake layer that's going to add the texture, the style, the look you're going for.
Sure.
And then a top coat that seals everything in and prevents the wear and tear.
Yes.
It will also include in the prep work a mechanical diamond grind.
Oh, what's that?
Well, that's when we come in and we grind the floor with diamond grind bits.
Okay.
That way we expose the pores so we can have the best adhesion possible.
Sure. Okay. Kind of like, when you scuff up your nails before they put the polish on.
Yes, just like
He's
that.
like, sure.
Just
sure.
like that.
Why not?
So now your, do-it-yourself kits that you get at the big box stores,
Yeah.
the paints, those are going to be low quality products.
Yeah.
They're going to go on really thin. The
Yeah.
prep work isn't there, so all those cracks and things that are in your floor are going to see through that coating. And they're going to look good for a couple months, and then you're going to start seeing issues.
Yeah, we don't want that for sure. So how long is a flooring like this, how long does it last, like durable for?
So a typical coating that's professionally done will last anywhere from 10 to 20 plus years.
Wow.
Depending on proper maintenance and the materials you use.
Yeah.
Obviously finding the right contractor to do it for you with the right materials, that's where you're going to get that higher in 20 years.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So I am impressed by all the design options that you have. Seriously, I like this one right here.
That's
But
my favorite.
truly, if you were, some people are like, oh, the garage isn't supposed to be aesthetic. Think again, like this is so pretty.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can make it
Absolutely.
as pretty as an aesthetic as you want, match your whatever you're doing in the house. I love that. That's incredible. So what should someone look for when choosing a contractor for resurfacing their garage?
So there's a few things to look for. Obviously, I'd start with reviews.
Okay.
Right? You want to do your research, see what company's been around for a while, before and after photos, and then see what material they use.
Okay.
You're looking for a 100% polyaspartic system
Okay.
that they use. That's going to get you on that higher end of 20 plus years when it's longevity.
Okay.
Lasting forever. That way the investment you make is something that you can actually take advantage of for a long time.
Sounds great. Now, what is the process start to finish? Say I want you to come out and shine my garage up. Start to finish, what does it look like? I call you up, you come out, take a look.
Yeah, so our process, if you call us and take a look and you wanted to get onto our schedule, you're like, hey, I love this, let's do it. We would come in, you'd have to have everything pulled out of the garage.
Okay.
I know sometimes that's like a big hurdle for people.
Yes.
We do work.
Worth it though.
It is worth it. We do work with a storage pod company here locally in Kansas City.
Nice.
So if you need a place to store your items while the work's being performed, we can help you guys out. We get a discounted rate for our homeowners.
Oh my gosh, it's people motivate you to clean.
Yes. Yep.
That's incredible.
And then once we start the process, it's usually a one-day installation depending on the size of the home. We come in and we grind, we repair everything, so any cracks or imperfections in the floor we take care of.
Yeah.
Then we lay that beautiful coating, and you're 48, 72 hours, you're back to using your space as normal.
Dang, and you have the garage of your dreams. It doesn't get much better than that. Thank you so much for coming in.
No problem.
This
Thanks
is
for
so
having me.
cool. Some beautiful stuff here, you guys. So get on your way to the garage of your dreams with help from Hello Garage. Call them today or visit hellogarage.com, or you can call that number listed. We have it right there on your screen.
The preceding portion of Great Day KC was sponsored by Hello Garage.